Next is socket function. Here task A, task B will be having the socket message for writing and reading done by the task A and task B. So OS device driver will functions used in the client and server sockets are create, unlink, bind, listen, accept, receive, send, write, read, close, shutdown, error management. Everything will come under the socket device. Server socket device will have same thing: bind, connect, send, receive, read, write, unlink, close, shutdown. But unlink will be in the start of the socket device, but here in the server socket device it will be in the end. So here created socket for byte stream of message at server. So socket message will be created at the client. So client will be using bind, send, receive function, and server use bind, receive and send function in UDP like connectionless protocol. Client uses connect, read, write function, and server uses bind, listen, accept, write, and read functions in TCP like connection oriented protocol. So messages, that is byte stream at socket device in server memory for writing using server socket, and for reading as first in first out using client socket memory. The timing diagram also here given. So here a written byte at server socket waiting for listen, read, accept, receive, and client socket. The last written message at the server socket level is given at the end. So VX works RTO. Yes, real-time operating system. Here VxWorks will support with a powerful development tool that make it easy and efficient to use. VxWorks support many advanced processor architecture. VxWorks support device software optimization, which is said to be a new methodology that enables the development and running of the device software faster, better, and more reliably. VxWorks has been found to the most popular RTOS in a survey in 2006. Here it provides some features, that is multitasking environment using scheduler which supports IEEE standard, that is POSIX scheduler, which also support in-house developed scheduler. It supports ability to run two concurrent OS on a single processing layer, multiple file system and system that enable advanced multimedia functionality, synchronization using a full range of IPC options that include event signaling flag, mutually exclusive access, using resource key, counting mechanism using three types of semaphore in the task queue, socket, and ISR, and includes POSIX standard semaphore and other IPC. Also support real-time process IPC. It also support open source TIPC, that is transparent inter process communication protocol for network and clustered system environment. Here, a different context saving mechanism for the task and ISR. Um, ISR, this task have separate TCP and stack, and ISR use a common stack due to nesting of the call. Watchdog timer, virtual input output device including pipes and socket, virtual memory management function, that is power management function that enhance the ability to control power consumption and automatic deletion, detection, and reporting of common memory and other error. And then interconnect function that is support large number of protocols including IPv4, IPv6, dual mode stack ready API. And then VxWork TCB saves the following task information for each task. It will be able to control the information for the OS that includes priority, stack size, state, and option. CPU context for the task that includes PC, SP, that is program counter, stack pointer, CPU register, and task variable. VxWorks also provide a pipe driver for IPC, and pipe is an input-output virtual device. Network transparent socket, network driver for shared memory and Ethernet, RAM disk driver for memory resident files, drivers for SCSI, keyboard, VGA display, disk and parallel port of a computer system, HDD, diskette tapes, keyboard and display. VxWorks 6 provision for a processor abstraction layer. It enables application system designed by user when using new version of a processor architecture. These are the few functions for the task state transitions, that is while transmitting from switching over from one task to another task. You'll be following all this transition statement, that is task resume, task suspend, task give, sem take, sem give, task delay, task suspend. All this will come under the task state transition function. Then task management library at the system library header file is given here. So these are the task creation, naming and control functions. And task management library at the system library header files, that is task priority, get, task lock, task unlock, task priority set, kernel time slice. Then some of the functions and task of VxWorks system is given here, which will be having interrupt log, etc. These are the IPC functions of VxWork. Here, interprocess communication functions are given here. This is the example program. So here you are going to create the header file as well as semaphore function from your library by including vxwork.h hash symbol include semlibrary.h hash symbol include task library h. So you'll be declaring the parameters for the task. Here, after declaring a binary semaphore to be used as a flag, you'll be writing the variable. So create the binary semaphore and pass the option chosen selected to it. So you'll be creating the binary semaphore here, and then you'll be creating the interrupt service routine codes. For example, for putting the port byte into a buffer, you'll be creating the interrupt. At the end, make the binary semaphore, that is sem full from sem empty using sem give. Okay. Other remaining codes for the ISR will be created here. So you'll be adding the interrupt service routine call at the end of program.